All right, that looks awesome. Just gonna clean up a little bit. Your mom and dad are there?
Yeah. Oh, sure.
You can just call them, especially your mom. I think both of them can come and have a look. Because we said we're gonna give you a nose and a lip that no one is gonna make out. Then you have a cleft issue, right? That's what I said. And we can give you a mirror. Okay, there you go. Hold on to that. And you can get back to that side. Or here. Look at the before. Right?
Yeah,
What do you think?
very broad.
It was very broad.
Yeah.
Now it's giving you a nice shape here if you see. See where the nose started earlier?
Yeah.
This. Yeah, okay, that also. Look up and see the asymmetry that you had. Tip was towards one side. All of that has been fixed. Go back now to the earlier picture. Yeah. So look like this and get it closer. And observe your lips.
Yeah.
So we've got muscle there. And that scar is not visible already.
Yeah.
It was a groove that was visible even before. This is going to go totally off. Okay. And the nose is on the midline. It's narrow. It's sleek. It's not like too thin also.
Yeah.
But I mean, it just keeps your racial identity.
Okay.
But it's symmetrical. Katarga, madam?
Yes, sir.
You're happy with the nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I told you it's going to be in such a way that people will not identify him having any defect or any deformity. And I think that's what we have. Look at this side view. Look at this. Inga paranga. And see that? There's like a bend there, all of that is gone. And even the nalla swelling is there. Because of, all of the swelling, when it comes down, it'll look really superb. It's already nice. It's already very nice. And only one side I've done the excision, if you see.
Okay.
Because, we're also dealing with asymmetry.
Okay.
So that's why we've done with that. Show his mom this also. பாருங்க நீங்க முன்னாடி இதுக்கு பார்த்து தான் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். Please. Yeah. You can see the difference. Yeah. Yeah, you can see that. And then இந்த இதுல நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the lip shape, tip shape, full nose, the full area.
Scar will go down.
That's already gone. I can't see it already. Can you?
That is
Yeah, it's actually.
It will disappear even more. This is 6 days, 7 days over, right?
Yeah.
Won't be there.
It's fully
And you can put hair there. I told you, if you need, like the hair density is less there for you. Still, your scar won't be visible.
Okay.
But if you want even more camouflage, we'll put mustache there for you later on.
Yeah.
And then that's the end of the chapter. No one ever will be able to make out. Already, nobody will see. Wait for 1 or 2 months and see.
Okay.
Nothing you will be able to make out.
Okay.
Even nose.
Okay.
All right. So you're a photographer, right?
Yeah.
So Deepak is a keen photographer. You're a professional also?
Professional.
He's a professional photographer in Bangalore. So you can appreciate all this better once everything is done.
That's why you made this operation.
Yeah, and I think he messaged me this morning saying, Doctor, I'm excited and also anxious. So now you are anxious still, or now you're only excited?
I'm very happy actually.
It's come out very well for
Is
you.
there something inside my nose now?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm feeling something.
of course. Of course.
Okay.
But only your cartilage.
Okay.
Yeah. And we've done the dressing for the rib. Okay.
Thing is removed, right?
They have put some plaster.
We've got a dressing, right, for your thing. Have we removed that?
Yeah, that's removed, doctor.
When was it removed?
Yesterday.
Okay. And you're not having any pains
No
from the rib?
I have pain.
That is the
Slight pain. No, we have not used stitches there. We only use glue.
Okay.
Okay. There is pain actually.
When you move, or when you simply just
When I move, bend.
when you move and bend, yeah. See, because in your case we had to harvest quite a lot amount of rib.
Okay.
So so that's why that can be there for a while. It'll totally disappear. And all of that tightness you feel is the items that we have taken.
Oh.
Yeah, rib is inside. Otherwise, how can we augment your nose?
Right.
And how can we give it a point that's...
Changed, yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, it's rib
So
inside.
that will release.
Slowly, it will take a time for it to settle down.
Okay.
And for you to feel totally normal might even take like 2-3 months. In your case, because it's a augmentative, reconstructive, cosmetic, whatever rhinoplasty. It's not just a simple rhinoplasty. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have worked a lot of your septum. I've worked on the septal reconstruction. We've harvested ribs. So yeah, it takes a little bit longer.
Okay.
That's why I said it's better to wait 1 day extra. That's why it's already. Breathing is fine already.
I'm not able to breathe.
That comfortably.
Yeah.
It will be all right. It will be
Is
totally
it
fine.
blocked or something?
It's because of the swelling and a lot of sutures are there inside.
Okay.
So it'll settle down. It may take 2 or 3 more weeks, but it'll be better.
You can wash face.
Yeah,
clean.
you got to be still careful with your nose because the bone takes 4 weeks to heal up. It's not done like as if everything is set. So you still have to be careful. We're going to put you on some medications. So no going out, no partying, no doing anything for a while.
Okay.
You have to make sure and don't keep any kids on the lap. Make sure it doesn't get hit or anything because it's still early days. We want all of that is set.
Blow my nose or
You can gently, but we're going to give you some medication that will prevent you from having cold in the next few weeks. Okay, so one last time for our subscribers, maybe to see what the transformation that we've done. So this is before and that's after. You got to take his pictures also. Yeah, take a.
ಅವನಿಗಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಜರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಜರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ವೆರಿ early days 7 days ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್ ಹೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಬಾಯಿ ತದ್ದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನೋವು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿನಿ ಸ್ಟಿಚಸ್ ಅದೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಟೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಗ if I can show you inside the nose maybe some 20-30 stitches inside the lip some 30-40 stitches are there ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ it take time ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ see if you touch the lip hard ಇರ್ತದೆ
ಅದೇ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ it will become all right it will take time
breathing will take time.
everything will settle down breathing will get better and better very soon we're going to give you medications also and in your case there's a lot of clots inside this saw so those clots see we can't dislodge it aggressively slowly when you take bath over a period of time those clots will come off and then it will just be fine okay so it will cause some problems automatically it will fall all the sutures are resorbable ones that we've used
Okay.
but they have different time periods for them to fall
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ್ರು ಎದುರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು of course just don't bother me but something genuine is there contact ಮಾಡಿ
I can laugh or something.
of course slowly
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ
Take
ನೋವಿರುತ್ತೆ
ಈಗ ಟೈಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ don't have to artificially do it automatic ಆಗಿ ಅದು tightness ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ then you will be good